Right, got two things I want to do today. I'm going to look a mess. A bit of a tramp, to be honest. Especially with my hair, I need a cutting because I'm going grey. But on that note, shamrock shake. It's one of the juices I bought today. It's good juice, milkshake liquid, minty. You can taste the mint more on the exhale than you can on the inhale. It's not strongly in mint, but it's still a very good juice. Made in the US of A, and I got it from Drip Cheese Vape Store in Tamworth. Palm or Mark is a shop owner, and he's a very good bloke, and he's very helpful. And the other thing I bought was the tfv4 mini, which I've been wanting to get one for a while, and I finally got one today. And it's a smaller tank as a tfv4. It's got a few upgraded features like different O-rings and stuff, and there's not as much leaking as the tfv4, but the capacity is smaller. This has got shamrock shake in it. I'm vaping it at 70 watts. That's a sweet spot for this shake, especially with this tfv4. I've got Clapton dual coil in it as well. So let's see, 0.39 ohms it's reading at. So obviously the camera is getting a bit nice cloudy juice as well, as you can see, and the taste is quite nice. Minty taste on the exhale, not too strong and not too weak, it's basically just about right. That's my first tank I've had through. I went down half and then I filled it back up again. So the coil's still setting in. Obviously it'll get better, a couple more tanks go through it, and then obviously I've got me Snow Wolf with my Clito, and that's got my Keebery yogurt in it by kilo, which is another juice I bought today, and that's another juice that I'm addicted to. It's been a while since I've done a video on the juices I've bought and my tanks I've got. I've got a few tanks that I don't use anymore, which I'm thinking about giving away. I don't know yet, I might see if I can sell them and shift them. But basically I'm only addicted to my tfv4 and my Clito at the minute. I've got a couple of other tanks, like my Heracles Plus, that's got temp control. What else have I got? I've got another Aspire tank that I don't use anymore. I've got a couple of others, but I very rarely use them. But my Clito's got a 0.4 coil in it, and I've used a 0.2, but 0.2 doesn't give enough flavour. Gives the clouds but doesn't give the flavour. But the 0.4 is spot on. Obviously the cloud's spot on as well, and that's running at 60 watts with a half battery down. So that's the first tank running through on that coil, and it's working very well. So there's me video that I haven't done for a while. I definitely need a haircut, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll have another video up soon showing what I bought. Cheers.